Welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing how to study for exams, tips and tricks for success. We all know that exams can be daunting and stressful, but with the right approach, you can conquer them with ease. In this video, we will be sharing some valuable tips and tricks that will help you study effectively and achieve success in your exams. So, without further ado, let's get started. Organize your study time. The first step to success in exams is to organize your study time. This involves creating a study schedule that outlines the specific topics you need to cover in the time you have available to study. You should allocate enough time for each subject, taking into consideration your strengths and weaknesses. Create a routine that works for you and stick to it. Create a quiet study environment. Distractions can significantly impact your ability to focus and retain information. Therefore, it is essential to create a quiet study environment that minimizes distractions. Find a quiet place to study, away from noise and other distractions. Turn off your phone, TV, and any other devices that might disturb you. Take regular breaks. Studying for long periods without taking breaks can be counterproductive. Taking regular breaks will help you maintain your focus and improve your retention. Plan for short breaks, such as a 5-minute break every hour, and longer breaks after every 2 or 3 hours. During your breaks, you can do some light exercise, take a walk, or grab a healthy snack. Use active study techniques. Active study techniques are more effective than passive ones. Instead of simply reading through your notes, try to engage with the material actively. You can use techniques such as summarizing, creating flashcards, and teaching the material to someone else. These techniques help you retain information better and improve your understanding of the subject matter. Review and practice. Reviewing your notes and practicing what you have learned is critical to exam success. Set aside some time to review your notes regularly, and practice answering exam-style questions. This will help you identify any gaps in your understanding and improve your confidence in your ability to answer exam questions. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for your physical and mental health, and it plays a vital role in your ability to learn and retain information. Ensure that you get enough sleep each night, and avoid staying up late to cram. Lack of sleep can impair your cognitive function and negatively impact your exam performance. Stay hydrated and eat healthy. Eating healthy and staying hydrated is critical for your overall health and well-being. Drink enough water to keep your body hydrated and eat a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits and vegetables. Avoid processed foods and sugar, as they can negatively impact your energy levels and cognitive function. Ask for help. If you are struggling with a particular topic, don't be afraid to ask for help. Talk to your teachers, tutors, or classmates, and seek clarification on any areas of difficulty. Asking for help will not only help you understand the subject better but also show your commitment to your studies. Conclusion. In conclusion, studying for exams can be challenging, but with the right approach and mindset, you can achieve success. Organize your study time, create a quiet study environment, take regular breaks, use active study techniques, review and practice, get enough sleep, stay hydrated and eat healthy, and ask for help when needed. By following these tips and tricks, you will be well on your way to exam success. Good luck.